guys, Chris Ignato here. Once again, thanks for stopping by my channel. So, it's winter. Been a lot of snow this year, which is awesome. And I figured, why don't I dig through a few of my clips from previous winters and put them together. Okay, so last night I looked out the window and there was a halo around the moon. A pretty significant one. And so I knew snow was on its way. And a few weeks ago, the same thing happened. And I posted on Facebook, and some people were skeptical. But the snow came nonetheless. Last night I looked at the forecast and it said less than an inch. Okay? If at all. It's almost 3 inches of snow so far. So halo around the moon at night, definitely indication of snow or possibly rain. So foggy today. Look how thick that fog is. Another awesome thing to camp in is really heavy fog. But I'm not camping today. Now, Canada used to build forts out of the snowdrifts, because some of the snowdrifts would be as high as the roof. They'd reach the roof of the house. You used to climb up the house, jump off the roof into the snow. It was awesome. And but that was, Ontario. You got some serious snow there. And then you get the ice storms in the winter, which were awesome. Or I mean in January and February. And they would cover the snow. Look at that. They'd cover the snow with like an inch or two of ice. And I learned to ice skate in my backyard on top of the snow in Canada. It's pretty awesome stuff. And, built forts that were so impressive, sometimes they had multiple rooms in them with furniture. I'm not lying. goes all the way along. Comes out of the ground there. Goes along here. And the little guy just stops.
I thought it was a jet stream for a second. Never seen that.
That is way too cool, man.
It's like air aerobatics. That's cool.
It's way cool. That rocks, man. So there you have it. Not much of a video, but I love snow. And I love driving in snow. It's a lot of fun. I miss having a vehicle. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Once again, I'm Chris Ignato, signing out.